What's up YouTube? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete any type of view in Airtable. If you haven't met me, my name is Ben Green and I own optimizeis. What we do is we help businesses integrate their systems and we help them solve business solutions with systems like Airtable, Zapier, Asana, Slack, and many more. Now we'll get right into the tutorial on how to delete your views. So this might be a view that you have of your Airtable base and you have many different views over here on the side. For example, I have a Kanban view, another grid, a higher date view with a calendar, and you could even have more like forms and a gallery view in here as well. So I also wanted to clear up some considerations about deleting a view, and I will do that right after I show you how to delete one. So we will go into delete view, which you come up here right next to grid 2. They just moved this over here. You click those 3 dots and then you come down and you click delete view. After that, that view will be gone. I also wanted to clear up some misunderstandings about deleting a view and what that does for your data. Deleting a view does not delete your data, it just deletes the view that you created with the custom group fields, filter fields, sort fields, hidden fields, and just however you wanted to make the data look in that view, it gets rid of that. However, if you come back to create another grid view, you can see all of your raw data is still there no matter what, unless you delete your table. So that's the difference there, is deleting a table versus deleting a view. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and that is how you delete a view. Just come up here and click these 3 right here and click delete view, and that'll be done. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any other questions for Airtable, Zapier, Asana, Slack, or anything, any software system, just go click the link in the description and you can schedule a call with me or someone on my team. I hope you have a great day, and if you have any other questions that you think I can solve in a YouTube video, throw them in the comments below, or if this helped you, throw that in the comments below too. Hope you have a great day.